Today is one of those days that I just want to get this message out to the community. Right now, my team and I are looking for you if you're a home seller. Because right now we have a list of highly qualified buyers looking for a home here in your area, here in your community. Just a couple days ago, we were representing a seller that we end up getting them $30,000 more above market value. The unfortunate thing is that we got 12 families that were interested, but we had to say no to 11 of them. And those 11 right now are highly motivated, highly qualified, and they're willing to pay top dollar here in your community. So if you were thinking and at least doing something, we would love to talk to you. We have good families ready to buy your property here in Ventura County. Give us a call. My name, Arturo Hernandez, your local expert here in Ventura County. Make it a great day.